See it? Can you see it in there? Today is a good day because it's the return. A special car a buddy of mine owns that he gave away, basically. Went through a bunch of other cars and finally bought it back. It holds a special spot in my heart, but let's go check it out. Maybe not today. I hope you guys get as excited as I do every time I see a Trans Am, especially one that is going to be boosted. And that's the plan with this thing. This is my buddy Hayden. You may or may not recognize him. He's usually behind the camera. But he finally bought back his Trans Am. He sold it a long time ago to our buddy Jose, which kept it. Thank the baby Jesus, he kept it. Didn't sell it off because after what, 10, 12, 13, maybe 18 cars,
yeah,
you finally got some sense into him and bought the old Trans Am back. So I am super excited.
Yeah,
Super excited to see this thing back. What's the plan? Tell me the plan.
Pretty simple. Stock 5.3, big turbo, T56, because you know,
God,
you have to have the man pedal. No, it's just gonna be a clean street car. Still keeping AC, not going Juan level, not going Andy level. I know Andy's trying to call me out, but
yeah, he did.
He's gonna be real mad when I'm cruising with the AC, you know. No, I just want a cool street car. You know, it may evolve into something more. We'll see.
So, one of the unique things on this car is obviously the paint. It's got a nice blue paint, although it's a little bit dirty right now because it did spend some time.
Yeah, it's been about 6 months in a paint shop, so it's full of overspray.
It's a little rough now, but this thing does fucking shine.
Yeah.
Especially in the light, dude. I mean, you can tell right here. I mean, Look at that glare. But yeah. So basically, everybody knows the great recipe to these cars. 5.3 turbo, like he said, 6-speed. But I'm not gonna complain because I just want to see it. When I met him, my car was down, his car was up, right?
Yeah.
And I told him, I'm just happy that I found a friend that I can go and ride off into the sunset with two Trans Ams.
With 2 Trans Ams. That was the goal for all these years.
That was the goal. Then my car got up and his broke. Yeah. And then my broke and his got up and then he sold his off. So we never ever got them running together at the same time.
No, they've never been running.
So
that's the goal.
Now mine's down and his is getting ready to come up. Hopefully I can catch him this time.
So we did waste some time to introduce this project to the channel. I wanted to collect as many parts as possible so that way it's a quick build series. I have about 98% of the parts, all the big stuff. So the first week, it's gonna be suspension, tubular A-arms, CTSV brakes. You know, I wanna just do basically a build series where we install the suspension work and then we're gonna go on to putting the motor in, putting the heads on, doing all this stuff, just to show the channel, you know, what it takes to actually build a car. At the same time, we will be building Juan's car as well, but you know, you get, this is a street car, his is a full-blown race car, and you'll get a little mixture of everything.
It is gonna be 2 different animals, basically.
Yeah, it will be.
Same concept, but different animals. This is gonna be a really, really clean street car, and you should still be able to run a decent time in this thing.
Yeah, I mean
6-speed and all, but
I'm hoping for a low 9.
We know you can drive, right?
Yeah, I mean, you've seen my driving. You've seen
the beauty of this thing. Like he said, it's gonna be a fast build. 98% of the parts are already here, ready to be installed. We just got to do the work. So, what are you thinking about time frame on this thing? I mean, I know we're saying that it's gonna be a quick build.
I'm hoping right around 3 months. I'm shooting for 2K.
So 2K.
It may not be racing, but it'll be there.
It'll be there.
Whether it's on the back of a trailer or running.
With the turbo kit on it.
With the turbo kit.
So you heard it here first, people. Texas 2K. We are going to have a sponsor spot at 2K. Hopefully this car will be there with us. But we're definitely going to have a lineup at Texas 2K. In fact, this isn't going to be the only Trans Am.
Oh.
Not just mine.
Oh.
So we're also going to have the Coyote Swap Trans Am.
Oh.
And possibly the Honk 3X Trans Am.
Nice.
So it's gonna be, we're bringing F-bodies back.
So clean street car on steroids with Honk 3X, basically.
We're gonna have a little bit for everybody at this event. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. So I'm excited. Like he said, I'm just excited for him to have this car back because I've been just dreaming about this car coming back. So I'm glad you got it. Make another video on that one. So struts, lower uppers. Is there a K member under there? I didn't see.
There's a tubular K member.
It has a 4.9 inch.
Yeah, it does have a 4.9 inch, 31 spine axles. Nothing crazy. I am looking at selling it, so if anyone is looking, it possibly may be for sale. It's a great setup, just rebuilt. Maybe 500 miles on it. So.
Oh really? Okay. So y'all heard that here. If anybody's looking for a 9-inch for a F body.
Oh, and it does come with torque, UMI torque arm, UMI lower control arms, and strange single adjustable shocks.
That's all gonna be included with the 9-inch. Okay, there you go, people. Rear end setup for anybody looking. Just message me, or I'll put your Instagram down here so they can message you as well and start following you. Golly. Panel, frame rails, everything smooth. Upper support, everything smooth. So it looks great. It's gonna look, once you put the motor and everything in here, everything's set up. Hopefully you get rid of this.
Street car. Street car.
Get rid of it. Once you do all that, man, this thing's gonna turn some heads. It's gonna
That's
be
the goal,
legit.
man.
All right, well, that's it. We're gonna leave you there. Hopefully I'll be passing by a lot more here and capturing some videos so I can upload some results as you get to work, basically. But that's the plan. He's gonna get on it real fast. Hopefully we'll have something good to show you guys at Texas 2K other than my car. But that's the plan. So we'll get to work.